Find the nearest integer to 1834, which is exactly divisible by both 12 and 16. Now, first of all, we'll find out the smallest number, which is exactly divisible by both 12 and 16. That is basically the LCM of 12 and 16. Now, 12 is equal to 2 square into 3 and 16 is equal to 2 raised to 4. So the LCM is 2 raised to 4 into 3. That is 16 threes are 48. Now let's divide the given number 1834 by 48. So 1834 divided by 48. Let's multiply this by 3. So 48 into 3 we have 144. So if we subtract 183 minus 144, you have 39. We can bring down the 4, so we have 394. Okay. Now let's multiply 48 with 8. So 48 into 8, we have 384. So therefore, the remainder will be 10. Okay. So now we can get numbers which are divisible by 1834 either by adding some value or by subtracting some value. When it is subtraction, we just have to subtract the remainder. Now the remainder is 10. So therefore 1834 minus 10. So the nearest number will be 1824 by subtraction. Now if we have to add, we have to add the divisor minus the remainder. Now the divisor here is 48 minus 10. You will have 38. So 1834 plus 38, that is 1872. So these are the two nearest multiples of both 12 and 16. But out of these two, you can find that 1824 is nearer to 1834 than 1872. So therefore, answer will be 1824.